All right. Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Jordan West. I'm here at 13 WMAZ. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in place. Sorry, I have my normal T-shirt on. Just got into the building, but saw this warning. So I definitely want to go ahead and get it. I'll get all the information out there regarding this system. Pulling up the graphics now. Looks like that severe thunderstorm warning includes Emmanuel County, Johnson County, Lawrence County, and Trutland County, and that's until about today, about 4:45 p.m. So you still got about 30 minutes left. Let's break this down a little bit more. I've been trying to get this graphic to go full screen. Been having technical issues with that for now. Looks like it might be full screen, but not just yet. But if you can see here, we have this storm moving in from the Dublin area. So if you're in Dublin, that's Lawrence County, it looks like you are all clear of any rain or severe thunderstorms for now, but it's headed into Trutland County. It's headed into Johnson County. So we're out of Johnson County, headed southeastward. So that's where all the severe thunderstorms are headed. Montgomery County, Trutland County, Swainsboro, Wheeler, all that. All of you are included in the severe thunderstorm warning. We've kind of been seeing these isolated storms move through much of northern central Georgia. It looks like the southern half of central Georgia seeing a few showers down there in Crisp County towards Abbeville and Cordele, but overall, this is probably the only severe thunderstorm we will actually see today. The National Weather Service earlier was talking about how there wasn't enough stability in the atmosphere to really fuel up, hail and lightning with these storms. As you can see, this is really the only lightning spot on the map. We see a few, lightning out there in the northern counties, but overall, this will probably be our only warning for today, hopefully anyway. But of course, we'll be keeping that track. We'll be tracking that with you as we head over into the evening, because these storms will possibly roll over into around 10 o'clock tonight. That's when they finally start to disappear and fade out of the way. But let's see if there's any hail associated with this system. So there's a very, very, very small patch of hail, very small, and that's in Trutland County. Johnson County, just north of Adrian, south of Kite. So that's where the hail core is. That's probably the only thing that prompted this severe thunderstorm warning that expires in roughly 30 minutes from now. That little orange dot you see here on the screen right there, that's the hail core. That's where the hail is located. And it's not very big hail, but definitely should not be something you want to go outside in. And that's with any of these severe thunderstorms or any thunderstorms that you are already seeing. Don't go outside. Now, you want to take pictures. We would love it if you could take pictures and send them to the Weather Network, but right now is not a good time, especially if you hear thunder, go indoors. So let's go back to the radar, look and see where else are we seeing these isolated storms. You can even see where that hail core is on the radar as well. This is radar in Cape, but mostly just the radar. You can see that purple there here on the screen where that hail core is. Let's go back to the normal radar. Let's see here. Yep, not that. There we go. All right. So, but yeah, this is all of eastern Lawrence County that is in the severe thunderstorm warning. So yeah, Lawrence County is under a severe thunderstorm warning, but majority of it is not under that little polygon that we see here. So not everybody is being affected by this. A lot of Lawrence counties has already seen the thunderstorms roll through much of the area. It's only now that it's starting to get severe, and that severe aspect is that hail that we just saw. So, and if you are just joining us, just going to repeat, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning for Emmanuel, Johnson, Lawrence, and Trutland County until about 4:45. I'm going to start reading some of your comments real quick. Let's see. You guys have any questions? Yeah, so I just walked into the building as I saw the severe thunderstorm warning. So I'm sorry about the way I'm dressed, but your safety is way more important than the way I look. So let's see. At least I have my sleeves up, technically, right? But yeah, definitely don't want to be out there in severe storms. Trying to read some more of you guys' comments. I believe I've ever seen it. Yeah, I'm typically not the evening anchor, but been potentially might be doing football Friday night type stuff today. So I'm just in, doing graphics, helping out as I'm needed. As you can see, that we have a severe thunderstorm warning. So there you go. But let's get back to the radar and kind of look to see where the rain is at. Currently, looks like we're seeing some showers in Glasscock and Washington County, Wilkinson County, northwestern Wilkinson County. That's Gordon, Irwinton, as well as Coopers, Milledgeville. Let's see if we get that to play a little bit. Over here in western Georgia, seeing some storms starting to enter, let's see, Upson County. So looks like the majority of these isolated, a little bit more stronger storms are in our eastern portions of central Georgia. A lot of red, a lot of yellow, a lot of green. And again, this expires at about 4:45 today. That's in about 25 minutes-ish. Let me see if I can pull up a Dublin live camera. I know all the severe storms are kind of past the Dublin area, as you can see here on the screen, but might be able to get a closer look. And I'll try to zoom in a little bit more. I know this screen is very small compared to what you're used to, but we're having a little bit of some technical difficulties as far as showing the full screen like we usually do. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more there. There's Dublin, and then let me pull up the camera for Dublin so we can see what's actually going on out there. Let's see. And definitely want to be careful out there on the roadways while I pull this up, because I was just driving over here like I was just saying, and there was a couple of accidents on the way from where I live into the station. So definitely want to be careful. Roadways get really wet really quickly. We aren't any flash flood warnings, but nevertheless, the roads are slippery. So I just pulled up the Dublin camera. Now I just have to find the graphic. Let's see. Okay, so there's Dublin. Looks like they are, clear of all the rain for now. I'm gonna turn the camera a little bit so we can see what's going on here. Let's see, I'm gonna step out the way here so you guys can see what's going on. All right, it should be moving now. Looks like all we see is clouds in the distance so far. Yeah, so Dublin looks pretty clear. The roadways might be wet from the storms that they just saw, but looks like the storms are moving on. Actually seeing some sunlight out there as well, starting to warm the pavement. Didn't think we'd see a lot of sunlight today, like I said earlier, but looks like we are seeing some, so that's always nice compared to the cloudy weather that we've been seeing over the past couple of days. But let's take a look at the 24-hour rainfalls. So this is from 4 o'clock yesterday evening to today. Got a little yellow, a little green on the screen. Let's see the past 12 hours. So 4 this morning to 4 o'clock now. Like I said, much of the northern counties of central Georgia really seeing that rain, 1 inch, 2 inches of rain. Not, anything drastic, but definitely you want to be cautious. Again, out there on the roadways. If you have like football practice or headed to a football game early to tailgate, definitely want to be careful out there. No rush, remember your safety comes first. Now let's get back to the radar. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like those storms are still headed towards Swainsboro. Adrian, you're right over some of the most severe aspects of that storm. Soperton, those storms are headed your way. If you're driving along I-16, definitely want to be careful out there on the roadways. Dublin, again, you're in the clear. Dexter, you're in the clear. Cadwell, you're in the clear. Dudley, you're also in the clear. So there you go. Like I said, this expires around 4:45. I'm going to read some more of you guys' comments. See what's going on out here in central Georgia today. Mary Jo says it's very rough right now in Emmanuel County. I can imagine, definitely. You're right out of that severe thunderstorm warning polygon. Let's see. Alrighty. Yeah, I will try to zoom in some more because I know that screen is really small. Let's see. Alrighty. Back to the radar. So yeah, Soberton, Adrian, Swainsboro, some strong to severe thunderstorms are on your way. Let's check the hail again. It looks like it's starting to dissipate a little bit. Most of it is in Swainsboro, just east in Emmanuel County. So you are getting ready to see a nice little batch of hail come through your way. So definitely want to head indoors if you can. Let's see, get back to the radar. Talk about some storms that are affecting other people. Lots of different equipment here. All right, so if you're north of Irvington, you're probably seeing a lot of showers and storms. That includes Gordon, just south of Coopers. Let's see, Sandersville, you're in the clear for now, but it looks like another wave is headed your way. Let's see, Linton, you're seeing some storms. Sparta, just about all of Hancock County is under a big cloud of rain right now. But Eatonton, you're in the clear. That includes Putnam County, Jasper County, looks like that's clear. Bibb County, you guys are seeing some rain in the eastern portions of the county. That's the rain I just drove through. Monroe County, you're in the clear as well. Much of, again, our western counties are all clear. Houston County is clear. Looks like the only rain in our southern counties for the most part are in Crisp County near Abbeville, that's Wilcox County, as well as Pulaski and Dooley County. But looks like the only, like I said before, I'll say the two main threats for today, or at least for this little polygon area here, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more, is the lightning, the thunder, and the very, very small amounts of hail that we are seeing. So definitely want to be indoors right now because this is a potentially dangerous situation that you could be in. Now these storms, like I said, will move on in like the next 15, 20 minutes. That hail will more than likely dissipate. The National Weather Service will probably shrink this polygon down to a smaller marketing area, but overall, definitely want to be indoors right now if you are within this polygon. And if you're anywhere near thunder, if you hear thunder, like I said before, you definitely want to be indoors. All right, let's see. But it looks like most of our northeastern counties that saw rain, looks like it's mostly light rain, the yellow, the green here on the screen. Let's see. Now storms are still possible later on tonight as far as, well, I was here earlier this morning as well, and the models hinted that they would end around 10 o'clock. Let's see what the models are saying right now, because I know you guys are wanting to go out to football games, a lot of football games across central Georgia. So we're going to use this model because I think it's been the most accurate. As you can see, it's showing those showers and storms that we saw in the northeastern counties, although it's not really showing the showers in the southern counties, unfortunately. But let's see. Looks like isolated storms possible as we head into 8 and 9, again, for mostly our northern counties. Yeah, by 10 o'clock, looks like that's when most of the storms are gone. We got some storms just northwest of us and then southeast of us, but none actually in central Georgia, except for a few small spots, which shouldn't put too much of a damper on things like they are right now. All right, let's see. Reading some comments, see if you guys have any questions. Let's see, loving the humor. I think it's really funny. All right, but yeah, back to the radar. Yeah, so severe thunderstorm warning in effect again for Emmanuel, Johnson, Lawrence, Trutland until 4:45 p.m. So that's within the next 15 minutes. We did indicate some hail with this system. Looks like most of it is gone, but that's headed straight towards Swainsboro. So if you're in Swainsboro, definitely don't want to be outside right now. That's just north of I-16, but very strong, very heavy downpours are headed towards your area. Lots of lightning associated with these storms. So once again, can't really stress this enough. Don't be outside, and if you are on the roadways, definitely want to get off the roadways because, or at least pull over if you need to, and just be very, very cautious if you are out there. Let's see. All right. Looks like Thomaston is getting ready to see a pretty nasty storm headed eastward. Let's see. Heavy rainfall could be expected there, but shouldn't see any hail like what we're seeing right now in southeastern Lawrence County, Johnson, Emmanuel, Truitland County, etc. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this up for now. If I get any updates, I will let you guys know. All right, better yet, I think I'm going to end the live here. And if we get any updates, I will definitely let you guys know. But just one last recap. I know I've kind of been a little bit more repetitive, but we have a hail core just west of Swainsboro, headed towards Swainsboro. A lot of heavy rain associated with some rain headed southeastward. That includes Truitland County, Johnson County, Emmanuel County. So if you're in those areas, stay off the roadways, be indoors, because there are a lot of lightning associated with the system. And once again, sorry about the way I dressed, just got here, but we are all good. Your safety comes first. And if anything else pops up, I will be back. So keep an eye out. I definitely will. I will be here for a while, so I got you covered. But I will be back if anything pops up. Thanks, guys. I'm going to end the live here.